Photography is equal parts art and science, but many photographers struggle with one or the other. The confusion is compounded further by conflicting information on social media. As someone who's been through it all, I can attest that it takes years to cut through the crap. My name is Jeahn with Luma University, and I'm here to help bridge the gap to provide a clear understanding of the truth about photography. To achieve this, I've created Photography Fastlane. This course includes 10 modules and 40 lessons with 9 hours of video content that will guide you through the fundamental principles of photography that even some advanced photographers don't always understand. Lessons will cover the physics of light and optics, the fundamentals of camera operation including full manual control of aperture, shutter speed, and ISO, and getting sharp images with focus modes and drive modes. You'll also learn about the foundational principles of lighting, and I'll also take you through hands-on demonstrations to apply all that you've learned with lessons on studio portraiture, natural light portraiture including bounce fill and off-camera flash, product photography for advertising and e-commerce, planning landscape photography, astrophotography, and loads more. There's also a module on post-production that covers color correction and color grading, retouching for portraits and products, and exporting your final shots for delivery. In my opinion, traditional photography education is a waste of time and money. An expensive degree does not guarantee success as a photographer. What matters most is experience and having a unique vision, and this course is designed to help shortcut that by stripping away all the fluff and only teaching what really matters. What would you do if instead of just taking photos, you could start making photos with a purpose? So head over to lumauniversity.com and take the next step to becoming a better photographer. I'll see you in class.